Imagine starting your car on a freezing morning and instead of a smooth idle, you get a strange whirring noise or worse. The engine just dies on you for no apparent reason. If your scanner is showing the code P2439, your car is telling you there is an intermittent or erratic issue with the secondary air injection system, airflow, or pressure sensor circuit on bank 2. This is one of those generic codes you will see on everything from a Chevrolet or Toyota to a high-end BMW or Lexus made from 1996 to the present day. Now, bank 2 is simply the side of your engine that does not have cylinder number 1. The whole job of this system is to breathe fresh air into your exhaust when the engine is cold to help the catalytic converter wake up faster and keep those hydrocarbon emissions down. Think of it like a hair dryer for your exhaust system. When the PICM or power control module sees the voltage jumping around or acting crazy in this circuit, it gets confused and throws this code. You might notice your engine stalling at idle, poor performance, or even a loud noise coming from that secondary air pump. The most common culprits are usually a failing pump, a bad air control solenoid, or even a tiny bit of ice. Yes, you heard that right. In really cold weather, if your one-way check valve fails, exhaust condensation can get into the pump and freeze, which is a total nightmare for the sensor. To fix this, you should first look for any technical service bulletins for your specific model, because sometimes a simple software update or a known wiring weak point is the answer. Use your eyes first to check for burnt wires or corroded connectors near the pump and sensor. If everything looks okay, you will need to get a digital multimeter and check if you have a solid ground and the right reference voltage. A common mistake people make is replacing the expensive air pump right away when the real problem was just a cheap check valve or a corroded wire. Take your time, test for continuity, and remember that if your meter reads out of limits, you have definitely found a break in the line that needs your attention.